feel to be part or debuting as main cast or supporting roles for this project?
So anyone, from ano muna tayo? From 1, 2, 3.
Hi, sorry, what's your name? Miss Bea, okay, thank you. Well, honestly, for me, I'm really grateful that I think I'm part of it. I think all of us are grateful that we're part of it, and you know, we thank Cornerstone for trusting us and for choosing us. But for me, it's an honor, obviously, to be part of this vertical series. I mean, it's the first one that Cornerstone is ever releasing. So, and of course, hindi lang yun, but to work with such an incredible cast. You know, we're all friends here. That was with the beautiful stories that were written. Honestly, it's special. So I hope I get to do this more often, and definitely you'll see more coming from Cornerstone. But yeah, that's for me.
Meron pa from 1, 2, 3. Sophia. Go. Okay. Sige ka muna.
Okay. Syempre gusto lang magpasalamat. Thank you so much, Cornerstone, for creating this project with us and for us. And syempre, congratulations sa ating dalawang series, My Favorite Liar and 1, 2, 3 Boys and Marie. Kasi, yeah. And if tama ko, ito din yung first time na maglalabas si Cornerstone ng Love Team. Tama. Yeah, yun. Kaya gusto ko lang din yun, pasalamatan na yung trust sa amin na Nicolas and syempre yung Francesca and the rest of the cast. Masaya kami, natutuwa, sobrang blessed na before nanonood lang kami ng Love Team and ngayon ginagawa na namin. Kaya super grateful kami sa lahat ng guidance na binigay sa amin ni Cornerstone and of course with the production and all. Kaya looking forward na sana tangkilikin ng mga viewers natin ang series na ito.
Miss Bea, I'm Sophia Jarling, and yung sagot ko pa is 3 words lang, which is nakakataba ng puso. Kahit na kontrabida ako dito, ako is super happy about it because we're also pioneering the vertical series type of thing here in Laguna, and it's by Cornerstone pa, and not just that, it's also the first piece of something. You'll see it later. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so that's my answer. Thank you!
So from My Favorite Liar team naman, Kobe.
We are very happy, lahat kami, honored and grateful to be part of this very first batch of vertical series na yan. 1, 2, 3, Boyfriend ni Marie, My Favorite Liar. Lahat kami dito, mga baguhan din kami sa acting and all. May iba na from the P-pop groups, may iba very famous influencers, pero yun nga, ginawa ni Cornerstone, gumawa siya ng bagong concept na vertical series na showcase pa yung skills, yung talent ng mga influencers and expand kung anong kaya pa nilang i-deliver sa entertainment industry. And because of that, we're very, very grateful. This is just the first of many na vertical series na gagawin ng Cornerstone. So with that, maraming salamat and we're very, very happy.
Honestly, dahil nabanggit nga rin ni Nico kanina na ito yung very first time na mag-create ng Love Team yung Cornerstone. Ano siya pressure siya for us, and kasi ito yung first time. So parang yung expectations nila for us, kailangan namin ibigay din kasi nagtiwala sila sa amin So parang kailangan yung tiwala na binigay nila sa amin, kailangan namin ibalik na mas doble. Kasi from the very first time na nag-create sila ito, tapos ako pa yung ako personally na pick nila. So parang, kasi hindi rin naman talaga ako, ma-acting din talaga noon. So parang, sobrang nabe-pressure din talaga ako kasi mas more on, dance and sing lang talaga ako. So parang hindi ko rin expect na ma-acting ako dito, nakasama ko sila. So ayun, nakakataba lang ng puso na sobrang grateful ako kasi nangyari to. That's it.
Ako naman sobrang happy ko din kasi binigyan ako nila ng Cornerstone nila Sir Jeff ng tiwala para gawin yung ganito kasi bago to eh sa akin eh, di ba? Parang nag-live lang ako tapos ngayon umaarte na ako. Parang sobrang laking opportunity tapos sobrang happy ng puso ko hanggang ngayon na-overwhelm ako, hindi ko pa rin ako makapaniwala. Yun lang.
Alright, thank you.